Hello everyone, I am Aditri Podda from Chacha Diaries. Please like and subscribe my channel and share it too. So today we are going to make a simple bubble machine at home. For it we need a bottle, cut it like this, a socks, bubble solution, you will find it at any toy shop, a bowl filled with water, an empty bowl, and a plastic rubber band. Okay, so first we need the bottle and the sock. Keep the bottle like this, sock like this, hold it and just like this. Yes, see, it will look like this. Yes, then start this rubber band over here. See, okay, and then take this and spread it like this. Okay, see, like this. See, okay, and now wet it till here, not till here, only till here, till here, not till here, only till here. Drop it for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Yes. And then you need the bubble solution and the empty bowl. Spread the bubble solution. Spread like a lot of. Like this. See, need to maximum you have to spread this much. Pour this much. Okay. If you pour less, it may not work. Okay. Then like rotate it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now it's red. So now let's go and play with it. Yay! Now let's play with it. It's ready. Yes. Ready? The ball will come like this. You can also hold it on your hand like this. Oh. See? Try this at home. It's a lot of fun, huh? To play with it. Bye. Okay then. Bye.